Next, we're gonna install the thermostat and then the thermostat housing to the block. This is the easy part right here because it's just exposed right on top. So make sure to clean this up. Alright guys, so installing this thermostat, I've seen a lot of videos that people install it wrong. See that little weeping hole right here, that little jiggly stuff right there that make a noise, that copper color, that has to be on the top, installed like that, okay? Not on the side, not on the bottom. It has to be on top, just like that. Nice and level. Next is the housing. Okay, so just hand tight on those 2 bolts right here, and then we'll torque this to spec. All right, we're gonna bottom it out. 13 mil on this one. All right, guys. So I'm gonna torque this bolt to spec, 112 inch-pounds or 12.6 Newton meter. Okay, so I got an inch-pounds right here, 112. There you go. Double check. There you go. Double check again. There you go. That's done. Torque to spec. All right, so let's put this upper rad hose now. Make sure it's nice and clean. All right, guys. There you go. This is done. Nice and secure. Upper hose and lower rad hose installed. All right, we're gonna be putting coolant on this and bleed it out. That's gonna be the next one.